I think juice is a good thing for people, especially people that may not eat vegetables or fruit. I would say to be careful of fruit juice because it's a concentrated sugar source. So I think you want to be careful about the quantities of fruit juice you drink, and if you do dilute it, you can dilute it with water, with sparkling water. I think if you're going to juice yourself, I think that's great. You want to use high quality produce that's fresh, preferably organic. If people like to juice, I think that's a great thing for them to do. I don't think there's any necessity to consume juice, and it's not giving you some of the elements, the fiber particularly, that you'll get in the whole forms of vegetables. But if you've ever had a chance to make your own V8-like juice, it's infinitely better than stuff you get in a can.